Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at the Lanberg Cat.5e UTP 50-meter Ethernet cable in gray. This cable is designed for standard networking needs, offering a reliable connection for your devices. The Lanberg cable features RJ45 connectors on both ends, making it compatible with most modern routers, computers, and other network devices. The male connectors ensure a secure and stable connection. It's a UTP cable, meaning it's unshielded, which is typical for Cat.5e cables used in home and office environments. In terms of build quality, the Lanberg cable feels robust enough for everyday use. The gray color is neutral and should blend in well with most setups. At 2 kilograms, it has a substantial feel, suggesting decent quality materials. This cable is a standard Cat.5e, so it supports speeds up to 1 gigabit per second and bandwidths up to 100 megahertz. This is perfectly adequate for most home and small office networking tasks, including streaming, online gaming, and general internet browsing. While it's not the latest Cat.6 or Cat.6a, Cat.5e remains a cost-effective solution for many users. The 50-meter length is a significant advantage. It provides ample reach for connecting devices across a room or even between floors in some homes. This eliminates the need for multiple shorter cables and connectors, reducing potential points of failure. One thing to consider is that UTP cables are more susceptible to interference than shielded cables, like STP or FTP. In environments with significant electromagnetic interference, you might experience some performance degradation. However, for most home and office setups, this shouldn't be a major concern. Overall, the Lanberg Cat.5e UTP 50M gray Ethernet cable is a solid choice for those needing a long, reliable connection for standard networking applications. It offers good value for money and should perform well in most typical environments. If you need a long cable and don't require the extra shielding of higher-end cables, the Lanberg Cat.5e is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.